Okay, let's talk about soft selection in Maya. All right, this is soft selection when you have a point, something that you have selected, and there's a fall off between what you selected and the stuff that's not selected, right? So to get into this, you hit B on your keyboard. This is no soft selection. Hit B, this is soft selection. To change the radius of your influence, you hold down B and then click and drag with your middle mouse button. And it can grow and shrink. Another way to get to this tool is to, in your move tools, so move, rotation, scale, so hit one of those on your keyboard, right? You see these tool options over here on the side. There's a menu item called soft selection. So click that. You can turn it on and off by hitting that button. That turns it on and off for all of the tools. So if I hit it on, now switch tools, and it's still on. This soft selection, all these soft selection options transfer over to the other tools as well. So we've got surface, so the fall off mode right here. Surface only influences stuff that is immediately attached to those points that you have selected. So I have them selected on this object, so it's getting all the way to here, right? I can grow, and it's not even influencing this, even though this is the same object. If I go to object mode, this is one object. I combined them. But with surface fall off mode, it's not going to get those things. So if I want it to influence those, I can change this to volume, and now it'll grab stuff over there. Let's see here. Yeah, so volume, grab this, and now we can grab all kinds of stuff. Go back to surface here, and I can move this thing by itself without influencing that. So this is really helpful in modeling, like when you're 3D modeling something, character stuff, especially where you have several objects, maybe several layers of clothing or something that you want to move together. Turn on the volume one, but if you have something that you want to move separately, then turn on surface. The other big option you can do with the soft selection is these interpolation presets. You can change the curve, right? So linear is just straight. So I can show you what that is actually doing. So say I grab this point here and my influence goes all the way to the end. If I change this to world. Okay. So if I move this up, you can see it's linear. This line that it's creating from the fall off is a straight line. But if I change this to smooth, or change the curve to this spline here, see now it matches that curve shape. So now I'm getting an ease out and an ease in. And then you can change that to even this one. See, it's just a full block. So everything that's influenced by it now is going to move together. Kind of pointless because you could just do it without soft selection, I think. But you can have this one where you have a lot of influence and then it falls off. That's kind of interesting. I usually just, there's weird ones like a stepped one. I don't know why you'd use some of these, right? But I usually just use this linear one that gives you a straight fall off, or this smooth fall off that gives you a little bit of a curve. So those two are nice. So to get into the tool, hit B, and out of the tool you hit B. And to make the selection bigger or smaller, hold down B and drag the middle mouse button. And that is pretty much all you need to know about soft selection. So have an awesome day.